Hello everyone, and welcome to InfoEye. Today we're embarking on an epic adventure to discover the true giants of the animal kingdom. From the majestic blue whale to the towering African elephant, get ready to witness nature's most magnificent marvels up close and personal. Throughout this series, we'll delve into their extraordinary lives, uncovering the secrets of their immense size and unparalleled strength. So, whether you're a seasoned wildlife enthusiast or simply curious about the world's largest creatures, buckle up and prepare to be amazed. Let's start. Number 10. Giant squid. Common name: giant squid. The giant squid is the largest invertebrate or animal without a backbone ever to have lived on Earth. Scientific name: Architeuthis dux. Class: Cephalopoda. Order: Teutida. Family: Architeutidae. Habitat: giant squids are deep-sea creatures inhabiting the ocean's depths worldwide, often found in the dark, deep waters of the open ocean. These creatures are deep-sea dwellers, typically found at depths of 1,000 to 2,000 meters, 3,300 to 6,600 feet, in the ocean. Their elusive nature and preference for deep waters have made them difficult to study in their natural habitat. Size: giant squids are known for their colossal size, with some individuals reaching lengths of up to 43 feet, or 13 meters, from the tip of the mantle to the end of the longest tentacles. This makes them one of the largest invertebrates on the planet. Diet: like other squid species, they have 8 arms and 2 longer feeding tentacles that help them bring food to their beak-like mouths. Their diet likely consists of fish, shrimp, and other squid, and some suggest they might even attack and eat small whales. Distinctive features: giant squid are enormous size, tentacles and arms, bioluminescence, and elusive nature. And due to their elusive nature, much of the giant squid's behaviors and habits remain a mystery. Limited observations and studies have suggested that they may employ bioluminescence, a biochemical process producing light, as a means of communication and predation in the dark depths they inhabit. Conservation concerns: while the status of giant squids in the wild is not well documented, they are not targeted by specific fisheries and are not considered a significant conservation concern at present. However, the impacts of deep-sea fishing practices and environmental changes on their habitats could potentially affect these elusive giants in the future. Number 9. Grizzly bear. Common name: grizzly bear. Scientific name: Ursus arctos horribilis. Class: Mammalia. Order: Carnivora. Family: Ursidae. Habitat: grizzly bears are found in various habitats across North America, including forests, meadows, tundra, and mountains. Lifespan: the average lifespan for a male is estimated at 22 years, with that of a female being slightly longer at 26. Females live longer than males due to their less dangerous life. They do not engage in seasonal breeding fights as males do. Size: weights of grizzly bear is between 300 to 1,500 pounds or 135 to 680 kilograms and stand approximately 6.5 to 8 feet or 2 to 2.5 meters tall. Diet: grizzly bears are omnivorous, with a diet that includes berries, nuts, roots, insects, fish, small mammals, and occasionally larger prey like deer or elk. Distinctive features: grizzly bears are known for their distinct hump on their shoulders, which is a mass of muscles used for digging. They have powerful limbs and can reach up to 6.5 feet in height when standing on their hind legs. Their fur can vary in color, ranging from blonde to nearly black, with the characteristic grizzled or silver-tipped appearance, which gives them their name. Grizzly bears are typically solitary animals, except for females with cubs or during the mating season. They have an excellent sense of smell, which they use to locate food over long distances. Despite their massive size and strength, they are known for their agility and can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Conservation status: Due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflicts, and illegal poaching, grizzly bear populations have declined in many parts of their range. They are listed as a threatened species in the contiguous United States and as a species of special concern in certain Canadian provinces. Conservation efforts and habitat protection are crucial for ensuring the long-term survival of these magnificent animals. Number 8. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest and heaviest bird in the world. Common name: ostrich. Scientific name: Struthiocamelus. Class: Avis. Order: Struthioniformes. Family: Struthionidae. Habitat: ostriches are native to the savannas, grasslands, and semi-arid regions of Africa. The average lifespan of a wild ostrich ranges between 30 to 40 years, and these birds are the fastest runners of any bird or any other two-legged animal, and can sprint over 43 miles per hour, covering up to 5 meters in a single stride. Size: adult males standing around 7 to 9 feet or 2.1 to 2.7 meters tall and weighing between 220 to 350 pounds or 100 to 160 kilograms. Diet: ostriches are omnivores, primarily feeding on plants like roots, seeds, leaves, and flowers. Distinctive features: the flightless ostrich is the world's largest bird. Ostriches have 3 stomachs. Unlike all other living birds, the ostrich secretes urine separately from feces. Ostriches are the fast runners of any birds or other two-legged animal and can sprint at over 70 km/h, covering up to 5 milers in a single. When threatened, ostriches run, although their powerful long legs can be formidable weapons, capable of killing a human or a potential predator, like a lion with a forward kick. The giant eggs are the largest of any living bird at 15 cm long and weighing as much as 2 dozen chicken eggs, though they are actually the smallest eggs relative to the size of the adult bird. Also have a long legs and neck, flightless, strong, sturdy feet, and feather patterns. Number 7. Polar bear. Common name: polar bear. Scientific name: Ursus maritimus. Class: Mammalia. Order: Carnivora. Family: Ursidae. Habitat: polar bears primarily inhabit the Arctic region, ranging across the Arctic Ocean, sea ice, islands, and coastlines of the northern polar region. Polar bears can live 20 to 30 years, but only a small percentage of polar bears live past 15 to 18 years. The oldest known polar bear in the Arctic lived 32 years. Size: the weight of polar bear is between 900 to 1,600 pounds or 410 to 730 kilograms and measure around 8 to 10 feet or 2.4 to 3 meters in length. Diet: polar bears feed primarily on ringed seals, but will also eat bearded seals, harp seals, hooded and harbor seals, when available. Distinctive features: polar bear have white fur, large body size, excellent swimmers, and strong sense of smell. Polar bears walk on the soles of their feet. Walking, running, up to 70 km per day, short sprints at over 40 km/h jumping, on land up to 4 meters and 2.3 meters out of the water. Climbing, for example on steep slopes of up to 45 degrees incline. Swimming, speeds up to 9.6 km/h and distances of 65 kilometers without rest. Diving, in shallow waters, up to 2 minutes. Their sense of smell is excellent. Polar bears can sniff the snow-covered breathing hole of a seal from a distance of 1 kilometer. They can probably smell cadavers from a distance of 30 kilometers. Their hearing is a bit better than that of humans. Their sight is comparable with that of humans. Their sense of smell is excellent. Polar bears can sniff the snow-covered breathing hole of a seal from a distance of 1 kilometer. They can probably smell cadavers from a distance of 30 kilometers. Their hearing is a bit better than that of humans. Their sight is comparable with that of humans. Conservation status: polar bears are classified as vulnerable due to the ongoing loss of sea ice, which affects their ability to hunt and find food. They are found primarily in the Arctic region, in areas such as Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Norway, and Russia, and they are excellent swimmers and are known to swim long distances in the Arctic Ocean. Number 6. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile on the planet and is a formidable predator throughout its range. Common name: saltwater crocodile. Scientific name: Crocodilus porosus. Class: Reptilia. Order: Crocodilia. Family: Crocodilidae. Habitat: saltwater crocodiles inhabit brackish and freshwater regions in Southeast Asia, northern Australia, and parts of the eastern coast of India. The lifespan of a crocodile varies greatly, ranging from 25 to 70 years. Size: adult saltwater crocodile males reaching lengths of 15 to 20 feet, or 4.6 to 6 meters on average. Males can grow up to a weight of 1,500 kilos. Females are much smaller, growing to be about 10 feet long and weighing 150 kilograms. Diet: saltwater crocodiles are apex predators and opportunistic feeders, preying on various animals including fish, birds, mammals, such as monkeys or deer, and even other reptiles. Distinctive features: saltwater crocodile have a powerful jaws, salt glands, armored scales, and webbed feet. They have the largest head with the strongest jaws of any reptile in the world, a long, thick tail, and a body that is strongly armored. They have a rough, scaled hide that is either dark gray or brown in hue. Conservation status: the Indo-Pacific region's coastlines are home to the saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus, a type of crocodile that lives in saltwater environments like estuaries. They are sometimes referred to as salties, sea crocodiles, or estuarine crocodiles. Number 5. Hippopotamus. There are two species of hippos, the large or common hippo and the smaller relative, the pygmy hippo. Hippos are the third largest living land mammal, after elephants and white rhinos. Common name: hippopotamus. Scientific name: Hippopotamus amphibius. Class: Mammalia. Order: Artiodactyla. Family: Hippopotamidae. Habitat: hippos are primarily found in sub-Saharan Africa, inhabiting rivers, lakes, and swamps. A hippo's lifespan is typically 40 to 50 years. Size: the mean adult weight is around 1,480 kilos to 2,660 kilo. Exceptionally large males have been recorded reaching 2,660 and stand about 4.9 to 5.9 feet or 1.5 to 1.8 meters tall at the shoulder. Diet: hippos are herbivores, feeding mainly on grass and aquatic plants. Distinctive features: massive size, unique skin, large tusks and canines, and semi-aquatic lifestyle. One of the biggest animals on land is the hippopotamus, or hippo, as it is commonly referred to. Hippos can grow to a length of 4 meters or 13 feet. They are herbivorous aquatic animals that spend most of their time in swamps, lakes, and rivers. Hippos have recognizable barrel-shaped bodies and enormous head skew with pointed teeth. They are among the most dangerous animals in Africa because they have a reputation for being extremely territorial and violent. Some fact about hippos are one of the largest animals on the planet. They can't swim. Calves can suckle underwater. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. Hippos are very vocal creatures. A group of hippos is called a bloat. Number 4. White rhino. Common name: white rhino. Scientific name: Rhinocerotidae. Phylum: Chordata. Class: Mammalia. Order: Perissodactyla. Family: Rhinocerotidae. Lifespan of white rhino is up to 50 years in the wild, while some captive white rhinos have lived to 55 years old. Habitat: rhinos are found in various habitats including grasslands, savannas, tropical forests, and swamps. They are mainly concentrated in Africa and South Asia. Size: the average whites of adult female and male rhinoceros is 1,600 kilo to 2,400 kilo, and the head and body length is 3.5 to 4.6 meters or 11 to 5 feet, and the shoulder height is 1.8 to 2 meters, or 5.9 to 6.6 feet. Diet. Rhinos are herbivores, meaning they primarily eat plants. Species. There are 5 species of rhinoceros: the white rhino, black rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino. Physical characteristics. Rhinos are known for their large size and distinctive horns. Their skin can be thick and tough, providing protection from predators and thorny vegetation. Rhinos have poor eyesight but keen senses of hearing and smell. Despite their size, rhinos can run at speeds of up to 30 to 40 miles per hour for short distances. Conservation status. Rhinos are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching for their horns, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts, such as anti-poaching measures and habitat protection, are underway to save these magnificent animals from extinction. Importance in ecosystem. Rhinos play a crucial role in their ecosystems as grazers, helping to maintain the balance of plant populations. Their dung also serves as a source of nutrients for other animals and helps fertilize the soil. Cultural significance. Rhinos have been depicted in art and folklore for centuries, symbolizing strength, resilience, and power in various cultures. Unfortunately, their horns are also highly valued in some cultures for their supposed medicinal properties, leading to illegal poaching and trafficking. Some fact about rhino horns are made from the same materials as human fingernail rhinos, heavily rely on scents to communicate with each other. Rhinos love a good mud bath. Rhinos have special relationships with birds. Rhinos are poached for their horns. Number 3. Giraffe. Common name: giraffe. Scientific name: Giraffa camelopardalis. Class: Mammalia. Order: Artiodactyla. Family: Giraffidae. Habitat: native to various savannas, grasslands. Average lifespan of about 25 years in their natural habitat and a range of 20 to 27 years in human care. The average weight of adult giraffe is 700 to 2,000 kilo, and fully grown giraffes stand 4.3–5.7 meters tall, with males taller than females. The skin is mostly gray. Special characters. Giraffe's chief distinguishing characteristics are its extremely long neck and legs, which can be up to 2.4 meters in length. Diet. Their diet primarily consists of leaves, shoots, and twigs from acacia trees and others. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. Their legs alone are taller than many humans, about 6 feet. Giraffes only need to drink once every few days. Most of their water comes from all the plants they eat. Giraffes spend most of their lives standing up. They even sleep and give birth standing up. Giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period. They often achieve that in quick naps that may last only a minute or two at a time. Number 2. African elephant. Kingdom: Animalia. Common name: African elephant. Scientific name: Loxodonta africana class. Mammalia. Order: Proboscidea. Family: Elephantidae. Lifespan: estimated to live up to 70 years in the wild. Size: the African bush elephant is the largest and heaviest land animal, up to 10–13 feet tall at the shoulder. A maximum recorded shoulder height of an adult bull of 13.0 feet, while females' elephants are smaller at about 6 to 8 feet in tall at the shoulder. The average African elephant will weigh between 1,800 kilograms to 6,800 kilograms, according to the National Geographic. However, the largest African elephant ever recorded was found in Angola, rocking in at a massive 11,000 kilograms. Diet. The African bush elephant is herbivorous. Its diet consists mainly of grasses, creepers, and herbs. Adults can consume up to 150 kilos per day. During the dry season, the diet also includes leaves, legs, and bark. Tree bark in particular contains high levels of calcium. Elephants in captivity may consume leaves and fruit of cherimoya, papaya, banana, guava and leaves, stems and seeds of maize, sorghum, and sugarcane. To supplement their diet with minerals, they congregate at mineral-rich waterholes, termite mounds, and mineral licks. Salt licks visited by elephants in the Kalahari contain high concentrations of water-soluble sodium. Elephants drink 180–230 liters of water daily. Gestation period of African bush elephant, 22 months. The memory of elephants is legendary, and for good reason. Of all land mammals, elephants possess the largest brains. They have the ability to recall distant watering holes, other elephants, and humans they have encountered, even after the passage of many years. Elephants have a great sense of hearing and the ability to send vocalizations over long distances. They make a variety of sounds, including snorts, roars, cries, and barks, but they also specialize in low-frequency rumbles and are able to pick up sounds in an unusual way. Baby elephants stay with mom for up to 10 years. They even learn to eat by putting their trunks inside their mothers' mouths to take food. Elephants are super smart. They can both learn and feel emotions. If a member of their family group is injured, the rest of the group may come and help it. They also know when a family member is no longer in the herd, and it's a truly heartbreaking sight to see an elephant grieve over the bones of lost family and friends. Number 1. Blue whale. What is the blue whale? Blue whales are the largest animals ever known to have lived on Earth. Their tongues alone can weigh as much as an elephant. Their hearts, as much as an automobile. Blue whale is the biggest animal on the planet. Common name, blue whale. Scientific name, Balænoptera musculus. Class, Mammalia. Order, Cetacea. Family, Balænopteridae. Lifespan. The lifespan of blue whale is estimated to be around 70 to 90 years, although exact data is challenging to gather due to the difficulty in studying these massive creatures over long periods. According to National Geographic research, blue whales live in all the world's oceans, except the Arctic, occasionally swimming in small groups but usually alone or in pairs. They often spend summers feeding in polar waters and undertake lengthy migrations towards the equator as winter arrives. Weight. Their weight can range from 100 to 200 tons in average. Diet. Their primary diet consists mainly of krill, small shrimp-like creatures, which they filter through baleen plates in their mouths. Diet of krill blue whales reach these mind-boggling dimensions on a diet composed nearly exclusively of tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. During certain times of the year, a single adult blue whale consumes about 4 tons of krill a day. They are also capable of diving to great depths, up to 2,000 feet, 600 meters or more, in search of food. Their stomachs can hold 2,200 pounds, 1,000 kilograms. Blue whales look true blue underwater, but on the surface, their coloring is more a mottled blue-gray. Their underbellies take on a yellowish hue from the millions of microorganisms that take up residence in their skin. The blue whale has a broad, flat head and a long, tapered body that ends in wide, triangular flukes. Blue whale calves enter the world already ranking among the planet's largest creatures. After about a year inside its mother's womb, a baby blue whale emerges weighing up to 3 tons and stretching to 25 feet. It gorges on nothing but mother's milk and gains about 200 pounds every day for its first year. Blue whales are among the loudest animals on the planet. They emit a series of pulses, groans, and moans, and it's thought that, in good conditions, blue whales can hear each other up to 1,000 miles away. Scientists think they use these vocalizations not only to communicate, but, along with their excellent hearing, to sonar navigate the lightless ocean depths. Aggressive hunting in the 1900s by whalers seeking whale oil drove them to the brink of extinction. Between 1900 and the mid-1960s, some 360,000 blue whales were slaughtered. They finally came under protection with the 1966 International Whaling Commission, but they've managed only a minor recovery since then. Blue whales have few predators, but are known to fall victim to attacks by sharks and killer whales, and many are injured or